In enterprise communications, you hear many different technologies like fiber, corporate fiber, 4G, 5G, satellite, MPLS and SD-WAN. And honestly, it can feel like a lot. Do you need all of them or some of them? Which ones do you actually need? Do they work together and have a relationship? Well, relationships are tough. I don't need to tell you that. So let's make sure we're on the same page relationship-wise. Some of these technologies are easier to understand. Fiber is familiar. 4G and 5G are on your phone and in your mobile routers. Satellite you know from TV, and now broadband services like Starlink. Then you hear MPLS and SD-WAN. And that's when it starts to sound very technical and IT. So in this video, let's connect them properly. Now here, let me introduce you to a terminology called access technologies. Fiber, 4G, 5G, and satellite are your access technologies. Access technologies are like the pipes that provide you bandwidth. They are the physical pipes that connect you to a wider network. They all carry traffic like data, voice calls, etc. You just plug in a router and you're online. Fiber gives you high-speed, stable, wired connectivity. Corporate fiber is the business-grade version with guaranteed bandwidth, uptime targets, and faster resolution of any faulty issues. It's the most common link for most offices. 4G and 5G use mobile radio. They can be the main link for small sites or pop-ups or act as an automated failover. A single modem may not support a whole office, so plan for multiple SIMs, bonded links, or an edge device that can aggregate several modems and prioritize real-time traffic during an outage. And satellite connects via space. It works anywhere with a clear view of the sky, which is ideal for remote areas, ships, and temporary field sites. Latency is higher, which can affect video calls, and performance can be impacted by heavy rain or snow. But modern constellations, such as Starlink, make it far more usable. Then we have MPLS, the Private Network Service. MPLS is not an access technology. It's a provider-managed private WAN service that sits on top of an access circuit, usually fiber. The provider connects your sites inside its core and gives you a private intranet with predictable performance, guaranteed quality for voice and video, and isolation from the public internet. It is excellent for sensitive site-to-site applications, but it is expensive and less flexible for quickly adding new sites or enabling direct cloud access from each branch. And then we have SD-WAN. SD-WAN is not a pipe. It's an overlay that controls how traffic uses the pipes you already have. You plug in fiber, 5G, satellite, and even MPLS. The SD-WAN device measures loss, jitter, and latency in real time, then steers real-time traffic, like voice and video meetings, down the best path, sends bulk transfers on another, and fails over instantly if a link drops. It can also encrypt your data, segment traffic for security, and apply policies based on the application without forcing everything through one central firewall. So the relationship is simple and practical. Fiber, 4G and 5G, and satellite are the pipes that carry traffic. MPLS is a private service built on a pipe, and SD-WAN is the brain that manages them all so your business stays fast, resilient, and predictable.